There are a myriad of different reasons why people run. There's the noted physical and mental health benefits, the competition aspect, or the desire to develop new relationships as part of a running club. But there is a group of runners hitting the Glass City Marathon course this weekend with a bigger meaning in mind. For more than 20 years, Racing for Recovery founder Todd Crandall has dedicated his life to helping those struggling with addiction, a journey he knows all too well. Crandall spent 13 years battling his own addiction before channeling his energy into positive actions. Now a world-class triathlete and runner, Crandall and his team at Racing for Recovery run alongside others who are struggling, serving as both inspiration and motivation, making sure others know he'll be there every step of the way.
We look at things as not saying I have to do anything, I get to do anything. Big difference. So as opposed to saying, like, for example, today it's snowing outside, going, oh, I have to run, or oh, I don't want to run because it's snowing, we look at it and say, I'm grateful my body works, I get to run and enjoy the snow today. So whatever the situation is, it's where is the mindset, positive or in a negative fashion, and how do we utilize that to then help us get out there and do it.
Running has been a big part of my life, but since getting sober, running is something that helps me feel a sense of belonging, not just to the community that I'm a part of at Racing for Recovery, but a sense of belonging to myself. So I've done the Glass City Marathon a couple times, but this will be a very, very meaningful one because as the clinical director of Racing for Recovery, I want to set an example for the people that I get to help, get to know, show them that they too can achieve whatever goals that they want.
Both Crandall and Vandermeer will be running in this year's Glass City Marathon. Our live coverage, sponsored by Racing for Recovery, will begin Sunday at 6 a.m.